Students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you might be okay in your respective homes. A small virus that got its birth from Wuhan city of China is putting life at stake. In the entire globe, the number of infected people touched 77 lakh. In India, its mark is touching 3 lakh and more than 8,000 people died in India. In UT of J&K, its pace is also increasing. Number of infected people are increasing. It is better for us to remain in home confinement and do concentrate on self-studies. All educational institutions are shut. It is better for you to remain in homes and also opt online and offline mode of teaching so that your valuable time may not get wasted. Government is adopting or devising a policy to take the exams of students online, so you need to prepare yourself well for the coming examinations and also should follow the precautionaries to save your life first, because life should be given first preference, then the rest of the things. It is subject General English class 12, poem After Apple Picking. This poem by Robert Frost. Robert Frost, an American poet born in 1874 and died in 1963. Robert Frost was a landscape poet. His poetry is always enriched with depiction of agrarian and natural senses. After Apple Picking is one of his famous poems. In this poem, he narrates a story of a laborer who has finished his job of apple picking. Robert Frost is giving voice to the laborer, and laborer himself is narrating the story in the poem. The laborer says, an apple picking is a very tough job or tough task, though it is very interesting. He has finished his job of apple picking. Now he is very tired. He does not want to continue his job of apple picking because only a few fruits are on the apple tree now, one or two. His ladder, pointed ladder, stands against the apple tree. During apple picking, his feet got pain in the middle parts because of continuous job of plucking the apple. After he plucked almost all the apples from the apple tree, and there remained only a few, he feels sleepy and tired. He does not want to continue his job further. His sleep intensified, and in the sleep he watches or imagines or dreams that he has plucked many thousand apples and has touched them lovingly. Some barrels of fruit, barrels of fruit are lying beside the ladder, and he also listens the sound of, or rather we may say rumbling sound of these barrels being taken away. He says that apple picking is a delicate job, and I need to deal with these things very carefully. I should not hurt these apples because hurting or injuring these apples will make them valueless. He considers his sleep like woodchuck, an animal found in America that sleeps or goes in hibernation for a winter months. Dear students, it is the whole summary of the poem. But remember, Robert Frost has thrown this poem open. It is summary or crux or center idea one can have from the different angle too. It is enough for today. But remember, books are with you. Some good English this reference books are with you. Do see these things on your reference books and textbooks. It is 42-line poem. Read these lines thoroughly at your homes, or take help of any learned person, so that you may grasp the concept or content of the poem. I am not English teacher at all. My job is to teach mathematics and polity, but in the absence of the English teacher there where I am posting, I am teaching you the English. But before leaving the class, I am advising you, do remain stick to the books and follow the precautionaries that are being issued by the state machinery and health department, and keep yourself safe and sound. Be blessed. Thanks.